Hello, viewers. Welcome back to Ivy Indiviers. Hope you all are staying safe, staying healthy, and indoors. It is the time of rains, it is the time of monsoons in many parts of India, and we are staying indoors, isn't it? In such times, we feel like cooking something new, trying something new, and eating something new with our loved ones, isn't it? That's why today I'm coming back to you with yet another interesting recipe, that of corn in a tomato gravy. This gravy is very tasty, succulent, and the corn absorbs the juiciness and tanginess of the tomato, and it goes well with chapatis, paratha, or even a plate of steamed rice. I'm sure when you cook it and try it with your loved ones, they surely are going to love it. For this, we need a ripe and mature corn. This is how it looks when you remove the cover. And here are the other ingredients: 3 tomatoes, 2 onions, 1 garlic, 1 piece of ginger, and a spoonful of butter at the end. Now here I have chopped all the vegetables. After that, I'm boiling the corn on low flame with some salt water for some 10 minutes to make it soft. Meanwhile, in a wok or karai, I warm up some refined oil and I'm frying the onions, the chopped onions, as well as now I'm going to add the garlic as well, and the tomatoes and the ginger. I'm going to fry them till they become tender. Then I'm going to mix them in a blender to make a smooth paste. As you can see, I'm adding all the ingredients, all the vegetables one by one: onion, garlic, tomatoes, and ginger. Now I'm frying them for few minutes, say about 5 to 10 minutes. I'm adding a spoonful of salt. Meanwhile, our corn is out of the water. It is little bit tender now. Now I have marinated it with little salt, chaat masala, and some red chili powder. Now we are roasting it on the flame, on the burner for some time, so that it gets a charred appearance, look, as well as taste. Now I'm cutting it into slices. After that, we are going to add these slices to the gravy. Meanwhile, we are blending or grinding that paste, that tomato paste, into a smooth paste, tomato mixture. See, it has turned into a very smooth paste. I transferred the tomato, onion, and garlic paste, ginger garlic paste, into a karai. Now I am frying it. I added, say, half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, a teaspoon of cumin or jeera powder, a teaspoon of dhania powder, as well as a teaspoon of meat masala. I'm mixing all these ingredients together into a smooth, nice paste. Our mixture is already fried, so after a little stir, I added some warm water as per my taste. Once the gravy gets a boil, I am adding the corn slices. And then I let it boil slowly so that all the flavors get infused into each other. Leave it on slow or low flame for say 10 to 15 minutes. Let it cook thoroughly and slowly. I'm putting the lid on, and after 15 minutes To give it an extra punch of taste, I'm adding a spoonful of butter. This is my bowl of corn in a tomato gravy. Try this interesting recipe at home and enjoy it with your loved ones. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share.